done. Why are we doing this again?
The main holiday of the year is coming. Come on! Christmas is the time when everything must be perfect.
Wow, guys, great job. It looks really nice.
Nice, but not awesome. And we need to impress Santa.
What? Still not enough? But I'm already so tired.
No worries, Elsa. I've got an idea, but we'll need loads of cardboard.
Dear Santa, I've been really good this year and I want to ask you for a few things. I hope you have a big bag.
Don't be too greedy, Sammy. Santa needs some space in his bag for our gifts, too.
Relax. I'm sure there will be enough gifts for everyone. Now, I just need to put my letter into the envelope.
Hold on, Sammy. We aren't ready to celebrate Christmas yet.
No, Sue, wait! What about my Christmas wishes?
You'll have enough time for that later. And we need this for our craft.
I'm not convinced. But I'll trust you this time. And if I don't get my gifts, next year will be the year of pranks for you, Susan.
Oh, sounds scary. Anyway, let's get down to work. Are you going to help me, Sammy?
Well, of course, you didn't even need to ask. Even if my letter is still unsent because of you.
Guys, what exactly are we doing? I don't get it.
This is going to be an advent calendar. Just wait a bit and you'll see. And it's gonna look like a house.
I've never had an advent calendar / a house before.
Me neither. Oh, and how do you usually celebrate Christmas in Tibidaba, Sam?
Oh, we celebrate it several times a year. Isn't it the coolest idea ever?
Wow, I wish we had the same tradition here.
Well, we can start it, you know.
I'm afraid snowmen will melt if we celebrate Christmas in summer.
I guess you're right. Sue, it looks so pretty, but it's a roof. Where's the snow?
I can help with that. Snow magic activated.
Thank you, Elsa. I think it's enough.
Wow, it looks much better this way.
They'll freeze without a fireplace. Take this chimney, Sue.
What a great idea.
Don't forget about the windows.
Here they are, Sammy. Do you like them?
Not yet. We need warm light coming through them.
Right, it's gonna make our house extra cozy.
It's even cozier than my palace.
Thanks. Now let's add more windows. Ah, much better. Our house also needs a door.
Sue, be very careful. And you guys, ask an adult for help when doing it.
Voila, the door is almost ready. I only want to add this sparkly paper underneath. Done.
Sue, is it ready? I'm getting tired of waiting. It's boring.
Huh? I bet I can keep you entertained, Sammy. Did you know that at first? They decorated Christmas trees with apples, candy, and candles. And only later did they invent the decorated glass ornaments and stuff.
Whoa, I didn't know that. I like the candy idea, though.
Elsa, and how do you usually celebrate Christmas? We decorate the palace with ice patterns. Well, I decorate. And we skate. What else? I gotta ask Olaf if he remembers anything else.
Sounds good. Oh, and how about Christmas food? What do you cook?
Food? Now, I see. That's why no one actually wants to visit me. I don't like cooking.
Ho, ho, ho. You can just ask my elves for help, Elsa. They can bring festive food and a Christmas tree.
Wow, Sammy, it looks cute.
Sammy? Who's Sammy? I don't know any Sammys. I'm Santa. Santa Claus. Remember that.
Okay, whatever you say.
Oh, Sammy, you make such a great Santa. Very realistic.
Who is that Sammy you keep talking about? I'm Santa. See these presents?
Thank you, Sam. I mean Santa Claus.
Why don't we secretly open these gifts and see what's inside?
No, we need to wait till Christmas. It's the rule.
With that many gifts, it will be the best Christmas ever.
But Sammy, Christmas is not just about the presents, don't you think? It's way more than that.
Is that Olaf?
Oh no, Elsa! It's just our local snowman who needs to get into the holiday mood. Well, it's finished. What do you think, guys?
I think it looks awesome, but how do we use it?
Here, let me show you. Huh?
I think we need more walls to make it stand.
I didn't think about that. What shall we do now?
I had a feeling you would forget something, Sue, and I couldn't let you get upset this Christmas. So I've already prepared everything needed. Check it out.
Wow, good thinking, Sammy.
That's true. These pieces look so good. But guys, we still don't have the second wall. What are we going to do? Christmas is coming. Oh, maybe we shall ask Santa for help?
Ho, ho, ho! I've heard someone's been calling me. Ho, ho, ho! How can I help you?
Santa, we need the second wall to continue our craft.
Huh? A wall? And that's all? Easy peasy, slimy squeezy. Abracadabra! Ow! It worked a bit too well. Oh no, my fabulous hat.
Uh-huh. Thanks, Santa. It's just what we need. Santa?
Ho, ho, ho!
Well, thank you for help, Santa, wherever you are.
Yeah, oops! Thank you so much, Santa.
Ah, Sammy, you've missed Santa again? I'm so sorry.
What are you doing?
Have a look. Aren't these windows pretty?
Yes, they are. But what can I do to help you?
While I'm making the windows, you can work on the door. I'm thinking, make it green, okay?
Duh! I'm not a newbie crafter. I figured that out.
Well done, Sammy. Sorry for doubting you.
Sue, I also want to help. Please give me a task.
Sure, you can make the second floor walls.
Sure, give me a second. Here, this looks like the one in my palace.
Really? It's so beautiful. And I love the pattern. Let me just add some details. So what do you think? What's missing here?
Ice and snowdrifts.
Cotton candy machine.
No, Christmas characters. Can you guess who this one's gonna be?
Olaf.
No, a reindeer.
Really, guys? Come on, it's an elf.
Oh, right. How could I not realize it?
Don't worry, Elsa. Let's try again. I bet you'll get lucky this time. Look closely. Who am I hiding here? I promise you know this one, Elsa.
I think it's another elf, but what if I'm wrong? Okay, I know. I think it's Santa.
Like it would be that obvious. Go with a reindeer. I'm telling ya.
No, Sammy, Elsa was right. It's Santa Claus and his elf.
I can't believe it. What is Christmas without a reindeer?
Don't worry, Sammy. I've got a surprise for you. Here, have a look. Here's your reindeer.
Yay, reindeer!
Well done, Sammy. You've got a good taste.
Cool. Have you heard that? Santa himself knows my name. I'm so happy.
Look what I've got here. Let's add cozy details to our house.
Hey, Sue, guess what time it is?
It says here it's almost 10.
Wrong answer, Sue. It's time to celebrate Christmas.
I see. But there's no Christmas without gifts. Let's make a few together.
Hey, there must be enough gifts for us and for all our guests.
Don't worry, Elsa. Everyone will get their gift.
You're doing great, Sue. How about becoming Santa's assistant?
I'm afraid I'm not the best option. I think Sammy is a much better candidate. Promise to think about that, Santa.
Come on, Sue. I'm sure Santa is doing great on his own. But if you really need an assistant, you know where to find me.
Look, Sammy, I found this. What do you think this could be?
Huh, Sue, is that a test? I'm sure it's gonna be the floor.
You're right, but it's not just the floor. There will be a lot of interesting details like this Christmas tree.
You've intrigued me, Sue. Tell me more.
Under the Christmas tree, there will be some gifts. There we go.
Wait! Why are you gluing them to the floor, Sue? I don't get it.
And I've cracked it! I even made a candy cane to help Susie!
Great job, Sammy. Now let's add a fireplace and a few more gifts over here.
Sue, it looks so cozy! I can't wait to see the final result!
It's gonna get even better, Sammy. I promise.
Really? Oh, I hope we'll have more reindeer.
Don't you already have one?
The more reindeer, the better. Am I asking for too much? Santa has a whole lot of 9 of them!
Well, he is Santa! Okay, come with me. Let's make Sam happy.
It's so cute.
Hey, watch it! It's my reindeer, and he's not cute, he's a cool and strong guy. Did you hear me?
Sammy, don't be rude. Let's better see some real Christmas magic.
Where's magic, Sue? I can't wait.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Wow, Sue, it looks awesome! You really outdid yourself!
Thanks, Sammy. I like how it turned out, too. Now we'll combine these two parts this way.
Sue, we need numbers!
Sure, here they are. How many do you think we need?
25 for each December day till Christmas. Yeah, that's right. I'm genius! Oh, and I think we've made the perfect advent calendar. Let's have a look at everything once again. Come on, Sue! I can't wait! Open it up! Let's open it all today! Pretty please! How can anyone wait for so many days?
Oh, Sammy?
This advent calendar is giving me a true Christmas vibe! This Christmas tree, I love it! Don't stop, Sue. I want to see them all. I just remembered, I never sent my letter to Santa. What should I do?
Oh, we have just the right place for your letter, Sammy. Put it here and Santa will find it.
Are you sure? Are you completely sure, Sue?
Of course. We just need to put it in the right place.
Oh, I can't wait for Santa to read my letter. I'm so excited. I will finally get what I want.
Let's see what Sammy is asking Santa for. What can it be? Loads of candy, ice cream? Oh, he wants our friendship to never end. How sweet.